In today's video, I'm going to teach you changing profile picture on ClickUp Quick Guide. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to upload a clean, professional avatar that appears across your workspace. I'll point out a few helpful details along the way so you avoid common hiccups, and we'll keep it quick, clear, and beginner-friendly. Start by logging in to your ClickUp account. Any main page in ClickUp will work for this, whether you land on your home, overview, or a space. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. That's where your personal menu and profile controls live. If you already have a photo set, you'll see it as a small circular image. If you haven't added one yet, you'll likely see a colored circle with your initials. Either way, that circle is the key to changing your profile picture. Click the circular avatar in the top right beneath it to open your personal menu. This is more than just a place to swap your photo. It's where you'll find personal settings and other user-specific tools. You may notice options related to templates and preferences here as well. Some users will also see quick access items like status controls, which can help teammates know your availability. We're not changing any of that today, but it's good to know you're in the right area if you see those options. With the menu open, look for the option tied to your profile image. It might say something like Upload Avatar or offer a direct edit icon on the picture itself. Go ahead and select the Upload option. This will open the image upload window and guide you through adding a new picture from your computer. If you've never changed your photo before, this is the simplest route to give your account a more personal, recognizable touch. Next, click the Upload button in the dialog. Your computer's file picker will open, letting you choose the image you want to use. Select a clear, well-lit photo where your face is easy to recognize. A square image usually crops best in a circular frame, so if you have a square version handy, that's ideal. Formats like JPG and PNG work great. If you're choosing from a larger photo, try to pick one with your face centered and not too close to the edge, so the circular crop doesn't cut off important parts. Once you select your picture, confirm the upload. Depending on your setup, you may see a quick preview or a cropping tool. Center your face, make sure it looks sharp, and then confirm or save if you're prompted. If the preview looks off, cancel and try again with a better cropped image. It's worth taking a moment here, because this picture will appear in comments, assignments, and mentions across your teams. So clarity makes collaboration smoother. If you'd rather not use a photo, or you want to refresh your look without uploading an image, you can adjust the color of your initials-based avatar. Look for a color option near your profile picture settings. Choose a color that stands out, but still fits your brand or team aesthetic. This is a quick way to personalize your account while keeping things simple and consistent across your workspace. After you've uploaded your image or adjusted the color, your profile